Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials. Install Focus by MDS, sign in, and pick a profile that matches your work. Once done, grant mic and camera permissions so features like ambient detection work. You set a duration, define 1-3 goals, and choose an intensity level. This configures how strict focus locks behave. Make sure to save settings before you begin, otherwise your first session will use defaults you didn't intend, and that undermines the point of deliberately shaping focus. Now you configure the detailed flow, set work and break intervals, adjust notification filters, and connect your calendar and task apps so focus syncs context. Once integrated, choose Do Not Disturb handling and allow exceptions for urgent contacts. Start a session and watch live metrics. They show focus percentage, interruption counts, and elapsed time to help you adapt. If interruptions spike, lower intensity or add buffer breaks to recover attention without losing momentum. This balances productivity. To finish, end the session and review the report to see achieved goals and interruption data. This tells you what to improve next time. Export logs or sync outcomes to your task manager for follow-up. If something goes wrong, app won't start, no metrics or permissions reset, first restart the app, then check OS permission settings and reauthorize. If problems persist, use safe mode or reset local data. That resolves corrupted configs while preserving account info so you can resume focused work quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.